Ever wonder how to turn your online presence into a cash-generating machine? Well, the answer might be closer than you think, and it's sitting right in the vast digital jungle of Amazon's affiliate program. The first step in this journey is to locate your compass. That's right, it's about finding the right links. And where can you find these links? On every product page on Amazon, there's a stripe at the top that is your ticket to affiliate marketing success. This stripe is the Amazon Associate Site Stripe, and it's your tool for generating affiliate links. Imagine every product on Amazon as a potential gold nugget. You just need to pick them up, polish them with your unique content, and present them to the right audience. But how do you pick these nuggets up? Well, that's where the site stripe comes in. By clicking on the Get Link button, you can generate your unique affiliate link. This link is your golden ticket, your unique identifier, your path to monetizing your online presence. But finding the link is just the first step. What's next? Now it's time to use these links. The key here is to weave these links seamlessly into your content. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or YouTube videos, these links should add value to your content, not distract from it. Remember, the golden rule of affiliate marketing is to always provide value. Your audience comes to you for your unique insights, your perspectives, and your expertise. So when you recommend a product, it should be because you genuinely believe in it. And finally, track your progress. Amazon's affiliate program provides a comprehensive dashboard that allows you to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. It's a good practice to regularly check this dashboard, analyze your performance, and adjust your strategy accordingly. To recap, the journey to monetizing your online presence with Amazon's affiliate program involves 3 key steps. First, find the right links using the Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Second, seamlessly weave these links into your content, always providing value to your audience. And third, keep track of your progress using the Amazon Affiliate Dashboard. Mastering the Amazon Affiliate program is like navigating a vast digital jungle. But with the right tools and strategies, you can unlock the wealth that lies within, turning your online presence into a thriving, cash-generating ecosystem. So gear up and start your journey today.